So what I've done here, just to record some extra data, is set up an oscilloscope onto the output of the insulation tester. That's the picoscope there. It's actually running through an HV probe. It's onto the winding that feeds back into the scope, back into the laptop. I'm also collecting the current via a 10 ohm shunt that is being picked up through a differential probe. Unfortunately, doing that is actually creating an issue on the reading. It's only getting above 2 megohms, which I presume is the input impedance of the differential probe, and it's being affected because it's linked to the actual output of the insulation tester. When I'm doing it without the current probe connected up, then the voltage reading will form normally and you will still get the actual reading of the rotor winding insulation. So it's set up to a single shot, so I can show what happens. This is the Megger test. So that's the Megger test there, and you can see it's quite a steady rise, a little bit of overshoot on there, and before it dropped off, but you see the reading only gets to 2 megohms. Just swap the instruments over. I'll put it onto Keysight. I'll show what that one does. Okay. So you see a much more rapid rise coming from the Keysight. So whether the rapid application of the voltage from this unit creates the problem or not, I don't know. What I will do is repeat the test without the current shunt in there, so I get a proper reading from the voltage. Okay, so the current has been completely removed from the test setup. I'm just measuring the voltage output of the insulation tester, so we'll repeat the tests. With that, we'll turn channel B off. Put you on. See the voltage, and you see the reading starts to go erratic again with the Keysight unit. So 269 megohms on that occasion. We'll swap the instrument over. Put the Megger back into circuit. Repeat the test. Again, you see the much slower rise of the voltage. Similar sort of result, 227 megohms for a similar amount of time, I guess. Again, I've put a 1 gigohm resistor. Effectively, using the HV probe gives a 1 gigohm resistance across the output of the Megger, as well as in parallel with the rotor winding, so that could well be having an effect to an extent on the reading as well.